Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to turn on private mode in Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Edge browser. And having opened up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on these three dots right there, and then what you need to do is to simply switch to new in private window, or you press Ctrl Shift plus N on your keyboard. So simply click on that and it takes you to in private browsing, just like what you see right there. Then you can start browse in a private mode just like so. So for you to start browsing in a private mode, simply come to the search bar right here and type in whatever website you want to check on, and then press enter. Then you have the detail of the site and where you are still in a private mode, just like so. Now, if you want to exit from the private mode, what you need to do is to simply tap it on and then close in private window. Simple as that. You are done. So basically, this is how to turn on private in mode, or how you can simply browse private in Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.